Look at your face right now. That skin, it's your brand. Your smile, your presence, your first impression, that's your billboard to the world. Now I'm going to tell you something that's going to make you angry. You're probably destroying it every single day. I'm Dr. Yuval Bibi, dermatologist, and here's my promise. What if I told you that the secret to glowing skin is doing less, not more? In the next 6 minutes, I'll show you a one-step nighttime technique that lets you repair your skin while you sleep. And it costs you less than $1. But first, I need to show you what you're doing wrong, because what I'm about to tell you goes against everything the beauty industry wants you to believe. Here's what's happening. You wake up, hot water on your face, cleanser, maybe a scrub, toner, serum, moisturizer, SPF. That's just the morning. Evening, remove makeup, double cleanse, exfoliate, treatment, night cream, 10 steps, 30 minutes a day, hundreds or thousands of dollars a year. And your skin, tight, dry, sensitive, red, flaky. And you're thinking, hey, I must need more products, better products. Wrong. Let me tell you what's actually happening. Your skin has a barrier. Think of it as the mortar between bricks. It's made of lipids, ceramides, natural oils. This barrier is a miracle of creation. It keeps water in, keeps irritants out, maintains pH balance, hosts your healthy microbiome. It's brilliant, and you're destroying it. Hot water strips away those protective lipids every single time. Cleansers and detergents, they're designed to remove oil. Guess what your skin barrier is made of? Oil. Physical scrubs, you're literally sanding off the protective layers that you need. And here's the kicker. Those water-based serums and lotions, they evaporate from your skin. And when they evaporate, they undermine the skin barrier, and that increases transepidermal water loss, meaning water actually leaves your skin with the use of those products. Now you're in a vicious cycle. Damage the skin barrier, skin gets dry and sensitive. You buy more products to fix it, which damages the skin barrier even more. The beauty industry loves this cycle. I don't. Your skin doesn't need rescuing. It needs you to stop attacking it. Think of it this way. Humans had perfectly functioning skin for hundreds of thousands of years without the 10-step routine. Your grandmother probably washed her face with water only and looked great. What changed? Marketing. A multi-billion-dollar industry convinced you that your skin is broken in constant need of rescue, courtesy of their products. Your smile is your brand, and you're letting the beauty industry constantly mess with your brand. Here's the truth. Your skin barrier is smarter than any product. It's a miracle of creation. It self-regulates, adapts, and heals, but only if you let it. I see patients every day, dry, sensitive skin. You know what most of them have? Overtreated, overwashed, barrier-damaged skin. And when you simplify their routine, radically simplify it, their skin transforms. So here's what I want you to do. And it's going to feel wrong at first because you've been conditioned to believe that your skin needs active management. Step 1, cool or lukewarm water only. Hot water is the enemy. I know it feels good, stop it. Step 2, no cleansers, period. Not in the morning, not in the afternoon, not at night, ever. Just cool water. But Dr. Bibi, what about makeup? Use coconut oil or petroleum jelly on a cotton ball or on your index and middle finger. Wipe the makeup off until you draw a blank cotton ball, and then leave the product on the face, either petroleum jelly or coconut oil, as a natural occlusive protectant for the skin barrier. That's it. Oil removes makeup easily without destroying your skin barrier. Step number 3, and here's the hack: slugging. After your face is clean, just water, mind you, while your skin is still damp, apply a thick layer of an occlusive oil-based moisturizer like petroleum jelly or Butter Oasis moisturizing balm made with 3 vegan organic ingredients: shea butter, cocoa butter, and argan oil. We're talking about something thick, viscous, that will stay on the skin and stick to the skin overnight. This creates a seal. It doesn't add moisture. It protects your skin barrier, allowing it to recover in its own time, and that is the most powerful thing you can do for your skin overnight. Protecting it with a sturdy moisturizer that'll keep the environment away and allow your skin barrier to repair itself. But Dr. Bibi, won't it clog my pores? Won't I break out? The The answer is absolutely not. Neither petroleum jelly nor butter oasis cause clogging of the pores or are comedogenic. This is literally an urban legend regarding petroleum jelly, that it clogs the pores. In fact, it does no such thing. You know what causes real outbreaks? Damaged skin that you've been stripping away that can't even repair itself because you've been hacking at it so long. So that's it. Cool water, oil to remove the makeup if needed, oil-based occlusive at night as needed. Done. 2 minutes, less than $1, a fraction of the cost of what you've been spending up until now, with astronomically better results. Now give this 4 weeks, just 4 weeks. Your skin will feel weird the first few days. That's because you've trained it to overproduce oil to compensate for all the drying. It'll recalibrate. Within a week, the tightness goes away. Within 2 weeks, the redness calms down. By week 4, your skin barrier will rebuild itself. The natural glow comes back. That's not from a product. That's your skin finally allowed to do its job. Your smile is your brand. Your skin is your canvas. Stop letting the 10-step routine mess with it. The beauty industry wants you dependent. I want you empowered. Less is more. Simple is powerful. Your skin knows what to do. You just need to get out of the way. Try this. Document it. Take a photo today and then one in 4 weeks. I'd love to see your results. Tag me in your posts. If this post made sense to you, share it with someone who's been stuck with the skincare hamster wheel for years. They'll thank you for it. Your skin is a miracle. Trust it, protect it, let it work. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more no-nonsense skincare. Dr. Yuval Bibi. Your smile is your brand. Don't mess with it. See you next time. God bless.